What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy again. So yeah, here is the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD 2 TB. I didn't got the Pro version. I don't think so. I really need the Pro version. So yeah, I'm super excited. This is water resistant SSD. Yes, you heard me right. Let me show you from the back. They are telling you can carry anywhere with you. Okay, it's shockproof. Blah blah blah. It have 3-year warranty. Okay, I pay like how much? $250. Let me open it with my Swiss knife. Why my Swiss knife is becoming dirty? I don't know. Okay. Okay. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Literally, this is tiny. This is tiny SSD. I mean, 1 minute. 1 minute. Let me just take out my SSD, my SanDisk SSD. As you can see for the comparison, can you see? Can you see how tiny it is? I mean, look by yourself. Anyway, this one. Okay, what we are getting? We're getting awesome. We're getting some good things. Okay, let me just connect directly to my iPad and see do it work out of the box or not. Come on, my stupid iPad, iPad, my iPad. Okay, let me just connect to file manager. Okay, Extreme SSD, awesome. It works straight out of the box, but I need to check out the format because most of the time it should not work because the NTFS should not work. As you can see, yeah, you can directly use straight out of the box with your with your iPad. What about my phone? Why Galaxy not? Come on, stupid Galaxy Note. Okay, let me just plug it and see. Where the file manager is working. Okay, it's working even on the Android phone. It's working even on the Android phone. On the Android phone. On the Android phone. So yeah, this was the unboxing. I hope you like it. It was me, Jimmy Geek. I will doing a review about also soon. So yeah, subscribe and bye.